Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And on this channel we do mobile home living and clean with me's. I hope you guys enjoy the video today, because today we are tackling the kitchen. We moved in this mobile home about 2 years ago, so we had to build out our whole kitchen. It needs to be painted, it needs to be upgraded, but we just had to move in a timely manner, so that's why it looks so plain. But we're probably going to be doing a kitchen makeover really soon. Here I was just showing you these organizers that I got from Dollar Tree. And they just hold your broom and your dustpan, and you can kind of organize your space and save space at the same time. these from Target, and they're like little seasoning type spice jars. So they are going to go up here by my stove, so I won't be having to reach for seasonings. They'll just be right there. So I purchased this, and I'll be putting my seasonings in here. I don't know if I'm gonna do it on this video, but we'll see. But I just wanted to show you the spice jar. Here, I just want to let you know that we will be putting shelving across there. We thought about cabinets, but I think we're going to do shelves on that side because we have like a wine area and then we have a coffee area.